Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about description of the model. Okay, what about the description of a part body or product body, and what are the checks which we can use in this part and product body. Okay, so let's comes to the QChecker environment editor. I'm creating a new profile and write this one description uh, or description or name. Okay, okay, this feature we cannot use, so description and name. Okay, so what I need here, I need all the type. Okay, so you can see in this norms and standard here one uh, criterion is there, that is description and name. So in a model, let's open a model in part design in CATAI environment. Okay, I'm trying to open one model. Open a model. Okay, now I will change this name something. Okay, changing to only part one. Okay, part one. I'm removing this. So, okay, so you can see in this property you will get part number, revision, definition, nomenclature, source and description. Okay, these are the property which is available in the part body or product body. And we will see what are the check we can use in this part number, revision, definition and nomenclature, source and description. Okay, so I'm deleting this. Okay, now comes to the first one. So this is the model, so I will go to the model name. Okay, so here I added a model name and I want the model name not to be empty. Okay, and it will start from, I have some code is with me, that is the model name must not contain any character other than a to z or a digit. Okay, so start this one, just copy this code and applying by using text, and here I am saving this model, and here I will write this one description check. Save this one. This is my first check, that is model name, and that model name should be number or name. Okay, so I just go to this here and changing my environment user. Here my environment is DC, profile is description, a report I want in this one, run this one. You can see, you can model name is satisfying the condition, means it has a number and letter. If I will use the second type of check here in this B priority is error. Okay, save it, and you can see if I run this one, it will show error. Why? Because here it is asking the part, it should be a number, part number should be a number, then string or any name, then revision, whatever the revision is there. So if you want to remove this also, you can remove and save it. Okay, now I'll go with first should be number 1111. Okay, let's, this is my number, and I will run this one, still it is showing error. I will go to the property again, I'm writing some part and run the check, still it is showing error. I want to give your underscore and apply. Okay, just run this one, still it is showing error. Why? The model not okay, confirm. So I will change this to this. I don't want this string, I want the model should be part number only. Okay, part number. Okay, model should be part number. So my part number is 11161. Okay, so I will write this one, properties 11 and part, and here I'll change this again to string. Any string you can write, edit here, save and run the script. Still it is showing. Why? Okay, I will remove this string, and now you just run this one. The model name is not conform to the naming convention. Okay, I'll remove this one. Now just try it. Yes, see, my model name and the part name is same, that's why it has taken the number. Now it is satisfying the check. Now the second type of a check in the properties, I'll see the property that revision. Okay, so we'll write here first check. For example, this revision should not be empty. Okay, so what I need to do is, I have some code here that revision should not be empty. See, the model revision should not be empty. So go to this, and here revision, where it is, it will be a modern revision, and here I'll write this code that should not be empty, and it will in string form, it should be string. And if you want to do show some message also, you can show the message, uh, custom message, revision. Here I will write a custom message, a revision should not be empty. Empty, save this one, save the environment, run the script. You can see the revision is performing. Okay, okay, here I will write something, should be plus, should be plus, and run the script, run the check. Okay, 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 error while reading the definition file, please contact your administrator. Definition error, okay. So I will write here that revision should be number plus dot plus something. So I will go with this and run the script. You can see the revision should not be empty. So what is the revision it is showing? The revision should not be empty and it should be dot plus. So that should be number plus number. And here I will type the revision 1.1. Okay, and run the check. You will find yes, it is perform well. And if you want to run save again the same part revision, the model revision must compose two group of digits separated by dot. Okay, that should be number and number, or begin with block or dot plus, or let's check with this. Yeah, and run the check. Yes, that should not be empty. Okay, write something so it will take the revision. Now the third type of one is model check is definition. So here we'll write model definition where it is. Model definition. And remember one thing, this checks you can use part and product level only, not in drawing level, because in drawing there is no description. Okay, you can see here also you can write that script also. The model should not be empty. Sorry, this nomenclature should not be empty. So I have some predefined model definition. Yes, this is model definition. Only content number. If we want, see, I'm writing this B, and if it is not number, then it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I'm giving this option also. No, save this one, save the environment, run this one, and I'll run the check. You can see the model definition. There is no model definition, so I can go with the replacement and replace here. You can see the checks is satisfied. And if you go to this properties, you can see the definition automatically taken. So if you want this, let A B C D E F, okay, and run the check, it will show error. Why? Because it's the definition should be in number only. I have given the checks, so replace it, so automatic the healing function will be run. Now come to the next type of model property item, that is nomenclature, model nomenclature. So again the same thing, it should not be empty. And so what I need to do is model definition nomenclature. So it is saying that this model nomenclature must not be exceed 25 character. Okay, okay. If it is, then the model nomenclature is too long, and here must not to be space. Okay, here model, that is the model nomenclature must not contain blank space at its beginning or at the end. Okay, so I will write the and putting some space 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and if I run this, wait, first I need to add the check here, model nomenclature. Yeah, model nomenclature same, and here I will add the script, that is should not be space at the end. If space is there, then we can replace by manually, or you can replace here to be 5 6. Okay, preview, save the environment, run the check. You can see model nomenclature already has taken. Why it should not be space now? It has some space. Let's check with this. Model nomenclature must not contain blank space at the beginning or the end. Okay, the script, and run this one. B. Okay. Something is wrong. Beginning block is not allocated. Must not contain blank space or issuing. Okay, just check whether. Oh, sorry, nomenclature. In place of nomenclature, I have given put the value in description. So you can see here some space is there. Run the check. You can see nomenclature have the something. So I have given the replace value also. If you want to replace it, so replace character, whatever the replace character, number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 something, and replace. Need to add here preview. Okay, just check here whether it has not replaced. So what you need to do is just go with this and replace by name here itself. Replace, successfully replace, and you can add here that you can see the number has been reflected here. Now source, model source. So come to this model source, and you can see here there are allow unknown source, allow mode of source, brought source. So I will check up. I want only allow made source. Okay, so just save the environment, run this check. You will find it has created some errors. The source having unknown, but I want made. Okay, so just go to property to made source, preview, run. You can see the source has been satisfied. Okay, now the next model check is model description. Okay, in the model description a lot of thing is there. Maximum number of line 1, you can apply 1 2 3. What is the maximum line? I want 4, and replace option is there. All that, this should not be empty. I'll write that one, this should not be empty. Hmm, where it is, should not be empty. Yes, this one. This should not be empty. So I have given this command, make save, save. Okay, if it is empty, it will show you the error. You can see the model description not confirming the conversion. So if you want to show this error, so custom message that is should not be empty. Should not be empty. Save this one and run. You can see should not be empty. Okay, you can replace this one also. So what you need to do is just go to the properties by manually add something. I'm adding Dixie. I am adding. Still it will showing some error. Why? You can see it is showing some error because we have given the maximum number of line is 4. If I will change to maximum number of line at 12 and save this one and run, still it is showing some error. So I will change this maximum number. Maybe it is okay. Save this, save the environment, run the queue checker. You can see the model description should not be empty. Replace this character, it should come. Just a second. The model line maximum number of line is okay 2. I will remove this thing, all this thing. 111 111 apply. Okay, run. You can see maximum order of line is 2, so that's why it has taken. Now if I will add anything, then it will show you the error. Okay, apply. Okay, and run. Maximum line is 2. Preview. Okay, so this these are some check which you can apply in model level environment. Okay, you can apply in part as well as in product. So hope you got some idea on this model level check in queue checker. Thank you.